How to turn sounds on and off on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is go straight into settings here, scroll down, and you'll see, don't scroll too far, but you'll see right here, sounds and haptics. So we're going to go ahead and click this, and there's various options in here, but one I really want you to pay attention to is change with buttons. So if you don't have this turned on, you can raise your volume and the ringtone alerts will not get louder. So you're going to have issue with sound there. So go ahead and turn that on, and now you'll see it'll start to get louder right there. So go ahead and have that one enabled, or you're going to have some serious issues hearing your phone calls. You also can change different haptics, like if you wanted to make a little vibration, you can have it not play in silent mode, play in silent mode, or never play it off. You really don't prefer the vibration, it annoys you. You'll want to put it on never play. Personally, I prefer to don't play in silent mode, because if I want it in silent, I want it in silent. Of course, this is self-explanatory, your ringtones and your text tones and all that stuff. But another one you want to pay attention to down here is headphone safety. So if you're listening to headphones, if you have them too loud, they can actually damage your ears over time. So these sounds, you'll want to go ahead and have this kind of like play around with this and kind of see where you kind of like it. Personally, I like it around 80 decibels, not too much higher, but if you crank this thing up, it will blast your eardrums. So be very careful with that. It is a very dangerous thing, and Apple tells you that right there as well. Another thing is, if you have this system haptics off, your vibrations won't be as apparent on your iPhone. So if you're missing that feature, it's not on, go ahead and turn that on. And then the keyboard feedback, you can actually enable haptics now for iPhones. All iPhone 15s have this ability. This is something that they didn't have before, but even some other iPhones. So make sure you go ahead and turn that on if you like the vibration on your keyboard. So that's basically the full rundown on the sounds, turning them on and off. Now keep in mind, if you go here and you do go ahead on the iPhone 15, it'll be right here. Within other iPhones that have the action button, it will be in here. But when you have the silent mode on, a lot of things will get turned off, so be careful with that. You'll want to have that turned on to get all your rings coming in. So that's basically how you really deep down change everything when it comes to sound and haptics. So I hope this helped you learn everything about turning the sound on and off on your iPhone. Again, a basic tutorial, but I want to go ahead and make more of these to help you out with your iPhone, so be subscribed for more. I'll catch you on the next one. Nick here. Be sure to be well, and peace.